This is where always on actually starts earning its keep. Before we build mine, think about yours for a second. What's something you check every day that a computer could just check for you? A stock price? The weather at your kid's school? A flight on a specific route? A YouTube channel you follow? A deal alert? Anything you reach for your phone to look at over and over. That's the first thing you want to automate. For this demo, I'm building a flight monitor since travel planning is my agent persona, and since we just wired up the flight data API in the last chapter. Yours can be anything. The pattern's the same. There are two ways to schedule things in OpenClaw, and you should know the difference before we build. Cron is run this at 8 a.m. every day. Specific times, predictable, cheap. Most of your automations should be cron. Heartbeat is check at a regular interval, like every 30 minutes. See if something changed. That burns a lot more tokens because every check is a fresh AI call. Don't put everything on Heartbeat. That's how people wake up to a surprise bill. Default to cron unless the task genuinely needs to be done constantly. In Telegram, we'll say, using the flight data API we set up, monitor flights from LHR to CDG, flexible dates next month, and message me if the price drops below $150. Check 3 times a day on cron. And send. The agent will think, and then walk you through what it's going to do. After a moment, it'll explain that it set the automation up, but if it needs more details, it might request some first. In my case, it's good to go. Now, if you want to test it to make sure it's actually working, you can say, run this task once manually now as a test to see what data is being pulled in. And as it stands right now, it looks like there are already flights under $150. So if I wanted to, I could update the task and have it look for flights under $100 if I wanted to be really frugal. But regardless, now my travel agent bot can monitor flight prices and will check them for me 3 times a day. I didn't have to spend a bunch of time coding automation. All I had to do was grab an API key for a specific tool and then tell OpenClaw to work with it. And now that task is automated. The most common mistake on a first automation is stacking everything on Heartbeat. Check my inbox every minute. Check the weather every minute. Check prices every minute. Oof, every one of those is a paid API call running in the background. Use cron unless there's a real reason the timing has to be minute by minute.